Hi, VanScoter here, owner of VanScoter Insurance Agency. Thanks for checking out my video blog. Recently, I came across an interesting article written by Adam Belz. I think I have his name right. It's B-E-L-Z. That had some pretty startling statistics regarding dog bite claims. In his article, he stated that dog bite claims have increased. The cost of dog bite claims has increased 48% since 2003. The average cost of a dog bite claim in 2011 was $23,396. Now he attributes the increased costs for these claims is due to, before people, they basically get treated, if a dog, bit them, whether it's in the face, the arm, or something like that, they pretty much just go and get stitches and get fixed up. Now people are seeking more advanced medical treatment like plastic surgery, so they want to make sure that they don't have any scarring or any evidence of a dog bite claim, especially if it's on their face. Now, unfortunately, children are the most common receivers of dog bite claims, and this is just due to the fact that kids do things to animals that would provoke them to get bit. Kids act erratically. It can startle a dog, and they unfortunately end up getting bit. Now, this is why I urge everyone who owns a dog, no matter how much you know your dog and you trust your dog, to take great care to ensure that the dog is safe, but that also that anyone that is around the dog is safe as well. Christine and I, we had a dog, Beast, for 8 years. It was a great dog with a great temperament, super friendly. We trusted that Beast would never bite anyone, which luckily he never did. But we took great care to ensure that no one got bit. So if we were out on a walk with Beast, we come across a group of kids that they always want to come over and pet the dog. And usually we wouldn't let them if it was a large group, because a lot of kids do startle dogs and they can feel trapped. So usually we wouldn't let it. If it was maybe 1 or 2 children and they asked to pet, we would allow them, but we would usually coach the children first. We'd say, approach slowly, stick your hand out, let the dog sniff you first before you reach for him to pet him, and that really helped. So, I don't know how many times I've seen people, with their dogs, and the dog growls at someone or snaps at someone or another dog, and the owner says, "Oh, I don't know what happened, the dog never acts like that." That just goes to show you, no matter how much you know your dog, you don't know how they're going to react in every single situation. So that's why it's important to take great care to ensure that your dog stays safe and that everyone around the dog stays safe. So, some other statistics they had in there. 1 in 4 people own dogs, and get this, dog bite claims account for a third of all liability claims on your homeowner's policy. So if you have a dog, the chances that you're going to have a liability claim on your homeowner's policy is a lot more likely than someone who doesn't, because they account for a third of all liability claims. So it's important, if you have a dog, you want to make sure that you have the appropriate coverage on your homeowner's insurance to cover just in case your dog does bite someone, because if they do, as you can see, it's going to be expensive. The average claim was $23,000, so that means there's claims that were substantially higher than that, and there were some that were substantially lower. So you want to make sure you have the appropriate coverage on your homeowner's insurance. So you want to speak to your agent or company about that. If you would like us to review your homeowner's policy and talk to you about what coverages you need if you have an animal or any other hazards around your house, give us a call at the number below. We'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.